Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are looking for how to change aspect ratio in CapCut, then you are at right place. So in this video, I will show you how you can change aspect ratio. So it's really easy and simple. You have to drag your video on the timeline first, and then you will see this option original. Simply click on it. Here you can see the option customize. If you want to change the aspect ratio, simply click on it, or you can select the desired ratio as well. So for example, if I want to make a vertical video, I can just simply click here 9:16, and my video will be converted into vertical. So I can use this feature, or I can use drag feature, or use this option to scale the video. So in this way you can you can change your aspect ratio. If you want to, if the option is not available, simply click on customize, and here you will find out your size here. So hope you like this little tutorial. Feel free to subscribe to my channel, and if you have any question, do let me know in the comment section. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.